Year 2004. Situation. The number of Christian churches in the Philippines increased from 23,400 in 1970 to 60,000 in 2007. There is a phenomenal growth in some churches, and Christianity has become a fad. Christians have become more politically aware, and some even involve themselves in politics. But still, the Philippines ranks as the second most corrupt nation in Asia. Distrust in leaders are prevalent. Churches start to divide and split, leading to more churches. Apathy for our nation increases, and most of us want to go abroad. Morality and values decline. Acceptance, tolerance, and encouragement of homosexuality, fornication, premarital sex, promiscuity, materialism, self-centeredness has become a norm in the society and a status symbol among young adults. Because of this, a group of young people who decided to make a difference was birthed. A group of young people willing to share what they had and be involved in Y Rock Campus Ministry. Founded the Yeshua The Rock Christian Assembly Incorporated, whose mission and vision is changing a nation by changing a generation. They started out small, from a group of not more than 20 people, and took that one small and courageous step. And after 5 years, their number grew to 150 active members. From being an iskolar ng bayan to young professionals and leaders in different campuses, corporate world, and other sectors of society. We believe that building more churches is not enough. Making every Filipino a Bible-believing Christian is not enough. Being active in the church is not enough. Putting Christians in politics, corporate world, and other sectors of society is not enough. To change and alleviate the Philippines from holistic poverty, what we need and we will do is train and develop next generation leaders who have all the necessary leadership skills, integrity, godliness with the spirit of excellence. Teach and show the people the biblical perspective of life and how to experience its fullness. Advocate that a true Filipino Christian is willing to help and serve his or her country and countrymen. What makes us poor is not because we lack in any resources, from natural, technological, and human resources. But what we lack is great Filipino Christian leaders who will help and serve his country and countrymen.